Welcome to my new series, Subscriber Studio Build, where I'm going to take a subscriber and build out their studio. The gear I will be using is the Focusrite Scarlett, also the Rode Pod mic to get a great sounding microphone. This is going to be his ring light, the Elgato ring light. And then for the camera, we're going to be using the Sony ZV-E10. Great camera.
You cannot forget about this.
Oh yeah, the monitor. Right now, here is the setup. Doesn't this look amazing? Joey, you can see your setup now.
Oh, baby. Sammy, what the hell did you do? Actually.
How crispy does it look?
Oh, baby, Sammy, you outdid yourself. Oh, baby, Sammy.
And we can zoom in.
What did you do, Sammy? Tell me.
I did my magic.
Oh, baby, really. Yo, baby, this is good. Thanks.
And then, if you want some crispy podcast sound, you're gonna get crispy audio.
Oh, what'd you do, Sammy? Tell me.
I just did my magic. Thank you for watching the Subscriber Build Studio. Hope you enjoyed it. And remember to subscribe, and there's going to be another one later this week that I'm working on, so it's going to be really exciting. And remember to subscribe for future videos. Peace out and bye.